Hello guys, welcome to this chapter. So I just have created the flipbook and you can see it is looking a little crazy. So the fluids are going way too faster. So the velocity is much higher. But so we have a control on this. So now let's just tweak little more values and we'll see a flipbook again. So just go to the submarine and this is fine. So here I'll make 10 is much higher, so I'll make it to 0.5. So just try with these values. You have to practice a lot and lot to get the exact value. And here we are giving 0.75 and this will be giving as 0.05. So the velocity of the fan is also much higher. So this I'll just tell you. So we'll disconnect this, and so here you can see, so it'll take a little time to cache, and this done. So here you can see, so when this comes above the water and then just goes into the water, so I need the velocity at that point of time. So when coming above the water and when getting into the water again. So for the velocity too, I'll just animate this velocity scale. So just go to the frame 35 and we'll make it as 0. So as it is rising up, so up to the frame, so by next frame itself, so it'll create 0.3. If we just alt and click, it will be animated, it will be keyed. So 35 is 0 and it should be 36, not 37. So 0.3 and alt and click. So now it is keyed, and then go to the frame number 45 and let it be 0.3, and up to 50 make it 0. And same for when it is going inside the water. So it is from 65 frame. So let's check 65. So we'll keep it as 0. On 66 frame, we'll make it as 0.75. And this 75th up to 75 frame, we'll be keeping the value of 0.75, and then up to 80, we'll make it as 0. So this is nice. And now we have to create one more velocity in the SOP level, and then we'll create a velocity in the DOP level also, and then we'll be injecting to the water, which is just in the next chapter. So here we'll just create another one more velocity. So I need this half the half part of the submarine, and we'll just create attribute warp. Just check, just so here. So what we are going to do is we'll just inject normals, we'll just apply normals to the velocity. As you can see, the normals are moving. This normal is here, this normal is, so it is, all the normals are on the direction of the faces, so it will be pretty easier. So here we'll just create this, and so take normal, take multiply, and just inject to the V, and just make a parameter tab and create a parameter, and so here we'll type velocity and then well scale. Now if you see here, so we don't have anything, so let's just increase this. Now you can see we are increasing, so let's make this value to 20. And just create, so take this fluid source, Control C and Control V, and just inject this because we need to see the velocities. So here you can see the velocities, or if you want, so if you want to visualize in different planes, so we have in the visualization tab, so we have YZ and XZ plane, sorry, not in the scalar, in the velocity volume. So we have, so you can see, so you can visualize the velocity, so you can visualize in this way, in this manner, so whatever you like. So this is looking pretty good, and just create a null, and this is well 03. So now we have created almost all the velocities. So we have 3 different kind of velocities, 1, 2 and 3, and then we have one, the velocity with the fan. Now let's just go and just duplicate this. So keep it, so if you want to move up above, so this velocity 4, so move it above, and so here this, so take this as well 03, and we want the same, because whatever the normals are, so when it is coming up and then it is going to the down, so then only the velocity should act. So now let's just connect this, and now we'll just see a play blast. Sorry, flipbook. So it might take a while. So as I'm putting all these values, because it is just a lot of practice, so you guys just practice, try different kind of values, and try different kind of splashes. So let's see the flip book. It will take a little time. So let it happen, and I'll just see you in the next class, where we're gonna build the velocities in the pyro, and then we'll be injecting into the fluid simulations. So guys, thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next chapter.